Yappy, enough. Go lay down. Get and lay down.
Yappy, enough. Go lay down.
That darn dog.
Yeah.
Bark and barks and barks. That's all that darn dog does is bark. Say hi to Grandma. Junior, say hi to Grandma. We're going to send this video to Grandma. Say hi. Look up and say hi. I love you. All right, go ahead. As you were. What are you doing, bud? What are you playing? Yeah. Why are you playing with your trees and trucks? You doing what Daddy does? Pulling trees out? Cutting trees down and pulling them out with your truck? Oh, they're already cut down before you're just pulling them out? Yeah. You having fun? Yeah. He lives in the mud. That's a new truck, isn't it?
I don't get a nighttime. Right, Daddy?
All right, baby.